Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT app if it keeps crashing. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have the app open, force close it. And once that's done, go ahead and find the app icon if you're using Android. Tap and hold. Tap on the information icon. If you're using iOS, wait a moment. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to do that as well. So for Android, find storage. Now tap on clear cache and followed by clear data. And once that's done, your cache and data right here will be 0. So after that, reopen up ChatGPT, log back in, and you should be good to go. Now for Android, just go ahead over to settings, okay, to do the same thing. Settings, then general. After that, iPhone storage, find ChatGPT and just offload the app. All right. Now, once that's done, you'll have to open up ChatGPT and check if it works. Now, for both Android and iPhone, if ChatGPT still won't work, well, just make sure that the application is up to date. Open a Play Store or App Store. And again, find ChatGPT. Open it up. If there's an update button, update it. And once done, open it up. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. And that is how you fix the ChatGPT app if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.